Hello everyone. PharmaPulse AI. Yeah, 7-in-1 Agentic Drug Pipeline Intelligence dashboard built for the Google and Kaggle wipe coding capstone project. In the medical and pharmaceutical sectors, researching experimental treatments is an absolute nightmare. Researchers, medical professionals, and patients have to manually navigate fragmented, chunky government database like clinicaltrials.gov and OpenFDA. Cross-referencing messy JSON data payloads while whistling with the dense technical jargon. PharmaPulse AI completely eliminates this bottleneck by orchestrating live data pipeline with the reasoning power of Gemini into single sequence lightning fast dashboard. Let's look at the underlying architecture. To maximize execution speed and maintain zero deployment overhead, PharmaPulse AI is built entirely as a zero build step serverless application using your HTML files, CSS3, and vanilla JavaScript. There is no heavy backend server framework to crash. The web frontend communicates directly with government endpoints and securely routes structured data objects straight into the Google Gemini REST API layer. The entire continuous integration and deployment pipeline is version controlled, hosted natively via GitHub. Let's take a look at the core user interface, which features a premium glass-morphic dog mode design built completely with vanilla web technologies. When a user targets a condition right here in the search layer, the dashboard's agentic orchestration automatically initializes. It compiles parallel asynchronous requests to seamlessly bind information from clinicaltrials.gov and OpenFDA. To prevent the common issues of LLM hallucinations in high-stake medical fields, we use a rigid RAG or retrieval augmented generation architecture. Instead of letting the model guess pipeline states, the incoming structural JSON string payloads are bound directly into the prompt context event. This ensures all text responses remain grounded in factual data. From there, the application triggers its text summarization and data classification pipelines, translating dense clinical protocols into 3-sentence AI overviews and micro-batch data categories for clinical trial phases. Beyond standard text processing, the architecture supports 3 advanced capabilities designed for research environments. First is our multimode vision portal. Users can feed a clinical flowchart or clinical schema image directly into the interface. The vanilla JS engine encodes the file asset to base 64 and establishes context with the Gemini Vision endpoint to decode visual metrics instantly. Second is our persistent conversational AI chatbot module. It handles rolling conversation history tokens and maps out targeted follow-up context related to the active dashboard parameters. Finally, our code generation feature is custom built for data scientists. With a single click, the application structure a custom Python script embedded with pandas and matplotlib code, allowing researchers to copy the template instantly and graph the dataset locally on their own machines. By keeping this application strictly serverless, utilizing pure vanilla web technologies, PharmaPulse AI proves that production-grade intelligence can be shipped with zero deployment overhead. Moving forward, our roadmap includes expanding pipeline streams to include PubMed, literature fetching, and direct user watch list with automated change alerts. The project code is completely open source and ready for review. Thank you. Thank you for your time.